Hello, cast and crew. My name is Sevens Martinez. I am the Pink SetMedic and a certified HSS Health Safety Supervisor. I wanted to cover with you really quickly the type of masks we will allow onto set and why, some masks that we won't allow onto set and why, and a couple of tricks that I've learned along the way to help you out on set. Okay, let's start. First, I have our medical grade N95 mask. This is the best protection in the land right now as far as masks. However, we are saving them for our medical personnel. If you have your hands on one of these, we will allow this on set. This will protect you. This will protect others. This is a NOISH approved N95. It is the second tier of protection that we can offer. It is not a medical grade. However, it offers that filtration that is at around 95%. This is the next best. What I will say to this, if you are able to have your hands on either one of these, it would be important in your normal life. You can cover them with either a surgical mask that you would throw away or a cloth mask that you can boil for 5 minutes with a little spritz of soap and sanitize. That way you can save the integrity of the mask and don't sanitize the mask. You're going to sanitize the outside part. There are a couple N95 masks that we would approve. This is an N95 mask with an exhalation port, and this is my own reusable N95 mask, which also has an exhalation port. However, if you have an exhalation port, it is very important. You are not protecting other people. I would like for you to protect yourself, so if you want to wear these, that is fine. However, you must cover these with at least a 3-ply surgical mask so you may protect others as well as yourself. If you have a cloth mask that has an exhalation port or a valve, you might as well throw it away. You are not protecting others and you are not protecting yourself. Okay? Next, we have the K95 mask. These are great. And last but not least, I have 3-ply or greater medical grade surgical masks. These are the blue ones or purple, or I have a pink. All right. It is important that they are 3-ply or greater. So in your normal life, when you get them, make sure as well, these are 3-ply or greater. That's what's going to protect you the best. Just so you know, you may press right here on the nose piece to get a greater seal. This is a good trick. All right. I have another trick for you. If your mask is too big, we can go ahead and fold it. I'll show you that in a moment. However, a quick trick is you just twist the loops on the ears and you will have a tighter fit, okay? Another trick, you fold the mask in half long ways. You're going to tie, just like a balloon, as close to the mask as possible. That's important, as close to the mask as possible. Do it on the other side. Okay, great. Now you can either go from the outside and you're going to tuck and create a pleat, okay? Or you can go from the inside and tuck in this way and once again create a pleat. You're creating a pleat like this and folding it over, okay? And then I would go ahead and put a piece of tape here, a piece of tape here, and just so you can see, what that does is it creates a tighter seal, especially for smaller faces, or if you just want to get that N95 effect. This is the same grade quality as an N95 mask. However, often it has the pockets of air that are able to escape. By doing this, you are closing off those pockets of air just a little bit more. That's my second mask trick. I have another mask trick. If you have glasses, please take a piece of tape. I prefer medical, or if you're on set, gaff, okay? You're going to take a piece this long. You're going to go over the bridge of your nose. It's half on the mask, half off, and you're going to go from mid-eye to mid-eye. You put that piece of tape over the top of your mask, and I promise it's almost like magic. Your glasses will stop to fog. I have one more trick for you. Let's say you've got a great hat with a great team. Well, if you are having trouble with your ears hurting from the elastic, what you can do is you put your mask on either side of your loops. Okay, and then you could put your mask on. It takes a little effort to get on. But you put your mask on, whoop, like this, yeah. You can have your hat holding your mask on with the ears so it doesn't hurt. And then when you take your hat and your mask off, your mask flips into the hat, creating a nice safety spot for you to set and rest your mask without putting it on the table. All right, guys, I'm looking forward to seeing you on set. We're going to have a great time. Remember, this is life or death, and it can work if you help us. So please help us out. We're excited to have you, and get the proper mask. We'll also help you get that. Thanks, guys.